So, oops, I bought another plant. I bought 2 new plants. And you see this in the background here? That's another sort accidentally on purpose. This is going to be my new office chair. I'm super excited about it. I've wanted one of these for a very long time, and I found it on clearance. So I'm like, yeah, that's a good gift to me for Yule today. It has been a very long day, but I had an awesome day. Like I'm super tired and like ready to be done now. But it's the end of the day. So, yeah, that should be true. But my day started with waking up under the moonlight, and I haven't been able to do that in so long. I happened to look outside my curtains this morning, and there was this beautiful crescent moon just shining through, and that really started off my day awesome. It was like such a great tone setter for the day. I used to sleep with the moon shining into my bedroom window on the farm all the time. It's actually one of my favorite memories from the farm is being able to look up and see the moon every single night when I was sleeping. It was awesome. Now that I finished setting the Yule table, I'm probably going to take a little mini break, and then we're going to do our goal setting together as a couple at the table and just celebrate the season. This is how we celebrate the holidays because we travel a lot. We have family that is over 3 hours away from us and more. So we don't really get to have Christmas as a couple. So this is what we do instead. We do Yule. We are both very outdoorsy people and nature loving people. So it just fits perfectly with our values and the way that we live. And it's a nice little celebration to start off all of the holiday celebrating that we're going to have coming up in the next few days. So this is me signing off for today and signing off for the rest of the year. I'm going to be taking a break for the rest of the year, spending it with family, friends, and traveling, and getting as many kitty snuggles as I can before the new year. And then I will be back in January. So I will see you in the new year. Bye.